Hi there, I'm Julie Thomas and I am bringing you Mary Kay's Spring 2025 line. We're doing an unboxing today. This is my Buzz Kit that has the preview of the spring line. So we're going to go through it together and I'll show you what they gave me. Okay. Now we don't sell these, so the only thing I can think of is this must be a gift. And it looks like a really nice one. It is this huge beach towel. I'm not going to unfold the whole thing, but this is a gift. Okay, how do we get this gift? We got to know. Curious minds have to know how we get this gift. It tells us right here. All right, so we have a new body sunscreen. We've been waiting for this for a long time. It is all new. It's SPF 50. And let's see, it's broad spectrum, SPF 50, weightless, high performing protection for a long day and fun in the sun. And when you purchase two, you get the beach towel for free while supplies last. Or you can get one of these and the After Sun Replenishing Gel. So they don't have the After Sun Replenishing Gel in my box, but that is a big favorite of Mary Kay. It comes in a tube just like this. It's this cool, soothing blue gel to take care of your skin after the sun, keep it hydrated, help to moisturize it and heal it from the sun. Super cool and soothing. So the two ways you can get the beach towel is either one SPF 50 body sunscreen with the After Sun Replenishing Gel, or you can get two of the SPF 50 body sunscreens. You do either of those and you get the gift. Okay, so that's one way. I think it's a gift. Sometimes they do purchase with purchase where you oh no, it is a purchase with purchase. So if you do either of those purchases, then you get the beach towel for $5. But talk to your beauty consultant, because a lot of times many beauty consultants will choose to take care of that for you. So check with your beauty consultant on that. Okay, what's next? What's next? Okay, this is Nourishing Oil. And this is actually a rebrand, a repackaging of our Naturally Nourishing Oil. So if you use the Nourishing Oil from our Naturally line, this is going to be the exact same thing. It's just repackaged and rebranded. Okay? And I do use this product. I love this product. There's so many different uses for it. I'll put it on my nail cuticles. I'll put it on the ends of my hair. I will pat it. It has a little dropper and it smells wonderful. It is 100% pure. And I'll just put it all over the place. I will even put a couple drops in my moisturizer and pat it on, and it gives me a really glowy look to my skin. Or I will drop a few droppers into my body lotion, put it on my legs, and it gives that really pretty sheen that makes you look toned even if you're not. And it, like I said, it smells fantastic. It is for all skin types, normal to dry, sensitive skin, and those with combination oily skin can also enjoy it depending on where you put it. It's got olive oil, sweet almond oil, sesame oil, squalene, and vitamin E. It's also free from parabens, SLS, SLES, synthetic fragrances or dyes, silicone mineral oil, alcohol, or any genetically modified ingredients. None of that's in here. It is completely a natural oil. So that is in the spring line, repackaged. What else? Okay, a new mascara. We love new mascaras. Oh my gosh. This is called Great Heights Mascara. Let's see if there's support material for that. Yep, Great Heights Mascara. Love new mascaras. Let's see what kind of brush it has. So the brush is slightly curved. You can see bristle brush. Let's see what it has to say about it. All right, it will boost your visible lash length by 43% with just one coat. That's pretty amazing. Has a precision brush that separates and lengthens, up to 12 hours of wear without smudging or flaking, and a lightweight formula conditions with panthenol. So you can talk to your beauty consultant. We have several different mascaras in the line, and that way you can determine what's best for you. But if you're up for trying a new one, we have one for you in the spring line. Okay, so these are all what I just mentioned as regular line products that are being added to the Mary Kay line. We also have a couple of limited edition products that is just for spring. So when they sell out, they sell out. And a lot of times these things sell out quick. So, oh, I should have gotten the scissors for this. They really protect them with bubble wrap. So this is, we have illuminating bronzers and highlighters. Okay, so we're gonna have illuminating bronzer in 2 shades, medium glow and deep glow, and then a special edition highlighter in golden glow. So it looks like in my Buzz box, I got one of them right here. This one is medium glow. So you can see that's a medium glow illuminating bronzer. So it gives illumination and sheen to the skin. I'm just doing the unboxing today. I'll probably do separate videos on all these products because like I said, there's 3 different ones in here. There is the medium bronze, the deep bronze, and then there's also an illuminating highlighter. And they all fit into our refillable compact system. So we have a refillable compact system where you pop them in and out to save you money and save the environment. But I'll probably do a separate video just showing the highlighter and the illuminating bronzers. But in my kit, I did get the one, and it happens to be my shade, so I'm super excited about that. Limited edition. And lastly, we have the Mary Kay Brow Kit. So we have a brow kit. This one's in brunette. How many different shades do they have? Let's take a look at the book because we need a closer up of those highlighters. Okay, so here's the book. So we're launching the SPF 50 body care. That's great. And the After Sun Replenishing Gel, which is probably for a limited time. The new mascara is launching. And lots of information on our new illuminating bronzers and highlighters to radiate sun-kissed vibes. Give your skin a gorgeous glow, enhance, sculpt, and highlight. And this looks like a lot of fun to do a video with. And then our brow kit. So let's take a look at that. Now again, this is limited edition. So when we're out, but a lot of times this is how Mary Kay market tests new products to see if this is something you guys would want in our regular line. So if it's something like, I really like that, I would really use it, and they're, you know, great sellers. So this is brunette palette, and then there is also a blonde and a dark brunette. So it comes in 3 different shades: blonde, brunette, and dark brunette. And what are the 3 different things? So there is 2 brushes. There's a dual angled brush to apply the brow pomade. So one of these is a brow pomade. And then the opposite of the end of the dual angled brush to apply the brow powder. So there's a brow pomade to keep it in place and a brow powder. And then you use your fingertip to apply the highlighter to the arch below the brow bone right here, and then blend. This is another great video. So we've got the pomade, keep things in place. We've got the brow powder to fill in any sparse areas, and then we have the highlighter to put right under the brow bone and give that really sculpted look to your brows. I'm excited about that. Okay, so I think that shows the highlights of what's in store for spring. In addition to everything that we normally have, those are what's new that's coming out in our regular line and our limited edition line. So if you want to see other videos, especially some detailed videos on applying the brows or the illuminating bronzers, new mascara, there'll probably be more coming. Okay, so stay tuned.